continuous movement in goods trains of Indian Railways crisscrossing the country, and those loaded or unloaded at these spots keep the wheels of economy moving. Container Corporation of India Limited, Concor, is a Navratna public sector undertaking of Ministry of Railways, Government of India, a multimodal logistics company having pan-India footprints. Concor is having more than 37,000 ISO containers, out of which around 23,000 containers were procured during last 3 years through open global tenders, and very few Indian bidders participated in those tenders. There are multiple containers currently in use in India. 20 feet end open, 22 feet end open, 20 feet side access, 20 feet tank container, 20 feet and 40 feet open top container, 20 feet insulated ventilated container, and 45 feet high cube containers. As per the last order placed by Concor in 2019, following 3 types of containers were procured through an open global tender: 20 feet high cube side access container, 20 feet standard height end open container, and 20 feet high cube end open container. According to business forecasts and recovery anticipated in the economy, expected future requirement of Concor for different types of containers would be around 8,000 containers per annum. In the recent budget, emphasis has been laid by Government of India on various initiatives like Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat to encourage indigenous manufacturing. Inspired by this Atmanirbhar Bharat vision of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, Concor has decided to induct indigenously manufactured containers in its fleet, with an aim to encourage the indigenous manufacturers for the design and manufacturing of different types of containers. Concor now steps forward to engage all stakeholders and entrepreneurs. Indigenous container manufacturing shall actually open new growth avenues for India's enterprises. It will also generate employment for our youth. And finally, once it cuts down the import dependence, it will also save us precious foreign exchange. And that's how we shall realize our vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. In this context, Concor is hosting a webinar on indigenous manufacturing of containers. The webinar shall discuss in details the opportunities and directions of growth that shall unfold.